Hey, I'm Rob Floto with Eberlestock. I'm here to tell you why the G2 Gunslinger is one of my favorite packs and one of the best all-around packs you can buy. So some key features that make this pack awesome is the integrated scabbard, which is big enough for almost any weapon out there. Anything from precision sniper rifles to AR-15s to your average hunting rifle or shotgun. Also new to this pack for 2019 is the M-style Intex aluminum frame, which makes it very comfortable when you're carrying heavier loads. It's also compatible with our wide GSTC butt cover, so you can cover the butt of any rifle. Also, if you're carrying any like shorter AR-15s, like the 14 to 16 inch barrel length, you can fold the scabbard up into the pack so that you're still able to grab the butt of your rifle as it sticks out of the top. And there's compression straps all over this pack. So you can see here, with the two horizontally running straps, I've been able to secure this pretty big tripod on the side. So you can do that with smaller tripods, with shooting mats, trekking poles, you name it, kind of anything. And then you also have these two vertically running straps, which you're able to secure items using this bottom flap here to secure things like sleeping rolls, tents, things like that, which makes it a great like overnight or 3-day size camping hunting pack. The top lid pocket of the pack offers quite a bit of organization with mag pouches, pockets for pens, paper. There's a lanyard for your keys or anything like that. For those, those guys that like to stay pretty organized. And then the main compartment of the pack has this big barn door style opening to where when you set the pack down, you're able to access everything in the whole pack. Very user friendly. You're able to get to things quickly. So in conclusion, I love the G2 because it perfectly meets my needs for what I do in the outdoors, which is predator hunting, PRS shooting, and bug out bags.
Hey guys, I'm Tyler with Covered 6 and I'm back with Condor, and we're going to look at the Condor Solveig Gen 2. Alright guys, let's take a look at this bag. Up here at the top we have a Hypalon reinforced grab handle. We have a couple quick access pockets for any of those important items. One of them just happens to be fleece lined for your sunglasses or any electronics that you don't want to get scratched. We have this beaver tail here. On this side, it's laser cut. This thing is also completely removable, so you can take it off. On the other side, it has a small pocket there with a zipper. You can also run it without it, and this is what it would look without the beaver tail. On both sides, we have side pockets here for any organization, for pens, notepads, anything like that. It will also accommodate any standard size water bottle. Now moving to the back, you can see we have that standard Condor airflow system that we all love. It has the nice Condor shoulder straps, contours to your body, an adjustable sternum strap, and an adjustable and removable waist strap. Also, when you unzip this, we have loop attachments for any CCW, and it's also hydration bladder compatible. Now moving to the inside of the pack, the main compartment is pretty cool. When you unzip it halfway, it feels like a top loading pack, but then you can unzip it the rest of the way for a clamshell opening. The beaver tail, as I had mentioned before, is completely removable and reversible. You can run it on one side with the laser cut molly, or on the other side, which is more slick with one zipper pocket. Now just a note, if you want to adjust the capacity of the beaver tail, you would just move the loops from the back loop to the front loop to give you a little bit more space. So there you have it, guys. The Solveig Gen 2. It's around 25 liters in capacity and comes in 3 colors: OD green, black, and coyote brown. For more information, visit CondorOutdoor.com. And for purchasing and pricing questions, visit any Condor outdoor dealer. I'm Tyler from Cover 6. Till next time.
Loaded with all the pockets and features you'd expect in a Blackhawk backpack, the Diversion carry backpack also has a special surprise. There's a hidden handgun compartment accessible from either side in the rear of the pack. There's an adjustable ambidextrous holster, and additionally, you can have access to that rear panel through a large pocket in the pack, which includes a secondary loop panel for accessories.